Having problems managing the facility's assets and infrastructure? Get complete control over your facility with Asset Infinity's facility management software. You can rely on Asset Infinity for hassle-free daily operations. Our robust and efficient software has the features and modules of enterprise asset management software and CMMS. Let's have a look at the key features of Asset Infinity's facility management software. Schedule preventive maintenance for crucial assets assigned to a technician. Cost recording for repairs, labor, and spares used in each maintenance activity. Get reports and statistics of the maintenance work order and make informed business decisions. Optimize facility with our facility management software. Visibility of facility condition to the facility managers and owners. The centralized help desk monitors breakdown and provides preventive maintenance history. Recording utility consumption against budgets for each facility. Asset Infinity application can be integrated with existing service desk applications. Maintenance help desk to support breakdown maintenance. Asset Infinity takes a customer-centric approach and customizes facility management software according to the business needs. It helps your organization in business growth and takes your business to the next level. Schedule a demo today for a free trial.